Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're cooking up a delightful dish, savory soybean pork belly and eggplant rice. Let's dive right in. Begin by washing and slicing the eggplants into stripes. Sprinkle them with salt, drain excess water and squeeze out the remaining moisture to reduce oil absorption during frying. Soak the soybeans overnight and slice the pork belly. Finely chop garlic and small red chilies for that extra kick. Now, let's whip up a tasty sauce. In a bowl, mix sugar, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, cooking wine, white pepper, and a splash of cold water. Stir well and set aside. Heat a good amount of oil in the pan. Once hot, add the eggplant stripes and fry until golden brown. Remove and let them drain off excess oil. Reheat the pan with more oil. When it's 70% hot, add the sliced pork belly. Fry until both sides are beautifully golden, then remove. Toss minced garlic and small red chilies into the pan. When the aroma fills the air, add doubanjiang and stir fry to release that rich flavor. Introduce the soaked soybeans, stir fry them evenly, and pour in the prepared sauce. Continue the delightful stir fry and simmer. As the sauce reduces, bring back the pork belly and eggplant. Stir fry everything together until it's a symphony of flavors. Transfer this fantastic mix of soybeans, pork belly, and eggplant into the rice cooker with rice. Mix it all thoroughly. Check the soup level, ensuring it matches the usual amount of water for cooking rice. Add a bit more water if needed or pour some out if there's too much. Now, start the rice cooking function. And there you have it, savory soybean pork belly and eggplant rice is ready to delight your taste buds. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.